Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set 2 and 3 finger swipe to open keyboard shortcuts. So this feature allows you to trigger the keyboard using 2 finger or 3 finger swipe gesture instead of tapping into a text field. So here an example, I'll go ahead and type in test. I'll go ahead and select this. Now with my 2 finger, I can go ahead and copy this. Now I can go ahead and paste this. So I can go ahead and paste this more just by swiping down with my 2 fingers. With my 3 fingers, I can go ahead and swipe up. And this opens up the writing assist tool. So it's especially useful when you want to quickly start typing, search, or reply to a message without adjusting your grip. So the gesture feels natural and works across supported apps, making typing faster and more intuitive. So let me show you how you can set this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for this, we need to go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, scroll down and find Keys Cafe. Now here, tap on Keyboard. And then from here at the bottom bar here, tap on gesture and you'll see your 2 finger gesture and 3 finger gesture. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now you want to go ahead and set up, down, left, right. So now I've just set it copy. However, you can go ahead and set all of these different functions: undo, redo, select all, copy all, cut, paste, change language, show, hide keyboard, open emoji mode. So let's go ahead and try open emoji mode. Now you can go ahead and set all this. For 3 fingers, you can do the same as well. So you can go ahead and set all these finger gestures for your keyboard. Now press home, go back to your keyboard. Now I'll go ahead and use my 2 finger and swipe up. You'll see that it opens up the emoji board. So as you can see, this gives you instant keyboard access. It reduces repetitive tapping, is ideal for one-hand use, and it improves your typing efficiency. So this is great for messaging and searching, and it works on any messaging app. So you have WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, or Snapchat. So there you go, guys. That is how to set 2 and 3 finger swipes to open keyboard shortcut on your Samsung Galaxy device.